I'm Mike Ross and I'm here to talk to you about Eco-Decking, available from Cebelio. It's made out of recycled plastic bottles and also rice husks. It makes it extremely durable and extremely tough deck. It's colour fast all the way through, won't rot, split, warp, and you don't get splinters on it. Comes in a range of colours. Because the product's colour fast all the way through, you don't need to stain it. And being mould and rot resistant, low absorption for moisture as well. If you want to clean it, it's just done with sugar soap and a stiff broom, and that's it. It's a 15-year warranty. Comparable cost-wise, it's similar to lay as a hardwood deck, but then it's the ongoing maintenance costs that you don't have.
We've had it in place for a little over a year now. It's delivered everything we expected it would. It looks neat. We've seen some decks in new houses that you can see them starting to deteriorate after a relatively short period of time. There's no signs of that with this product. Also, using recycled materials did have its advantages as well.